On the frozen rocks of a remote island, a seagull fights for her life, trapped in a fishing net, tangled in the stones. The icy wind howls. The violent sea crashes without mercy. The bird screams, desperate. Her wings beat hard, but the net doesn't release. Close up. The net cuts into her right wing. Every movement brings more pain. Cold waves explode against the rocks. The spray reaches her. Time is running out. Then something moves behind her. A small chick appears, hidden among the rocks, protected by his mother's body. The chick chirps loudly, a weak sound against the roaring ocean, full of fear. The mother tries to beat her wings again, must protect her baby, must get him to safety. But the net won't let her. The icy wind blows hard. Grey waves crash endlessly against the stones. Heavy clouds pass overhead. This feels like the end of the world. A man walks near the rocks, heavy coat against the cold. The lighthouse keeper, the only human on this forgotten island. He stops, observes the sea, as he does every day. Then a sound cuts through the wind, a distant cry, weak, almost lost in the waves. The keeper stops, listens carefully. The seagull's cry echoes again, clearer now, more desperate. He closes his eyes, identifies the direction. He walks toward the rocks, firm steps. The cry gets louder, closer. He climbs a rock, balances against the wind, looks down. Something white moves among the grey stones. He climbs down carefully. The rocks are slippery, and then he sees it. The seagull trapped in the net. The chick beside her. The bird tries to attack him, protecting her baby. The chick chirps desperately. The keeper stops, observes carefully. He sees the trapped wing, the blood on white feathers, the small chick hiding behind his mother. He knows what he must do. He kneels down slowly, studies the net, how it's caught, takes a small knife from his pocket, carefully holds the net. The seagull tries to peck him, too weak to fight. The blade cuts slowly, thread by thread. Pieces of net fall away. Finally, it breaks completely. The seagull is free. She spreads her wings, tries to fly, but falls back onto the rocks. The keeper understands. The wing is badly injured. The chick runs to his mother, chirps softly. She tries again. Can't do it. Won't fly like this. The keeper gently picks up the seagull, holds her against his chest. The bird doesn't fight anymore. Too tired.
All right, easy now, little guy. I've got you. Shh. Shh. Safe now. Safe.
You're safe now. I'll get you help. Just hold on tight.
The chick begins to follow, hopping across stones, following his mother. The keeper climbs toward the lighthouse, one step at a time. The chick follows behind. Small steps struggling to keep up. He reaches the lighthouse door, looks back. The chick is still there. He opens the door, waits. The chick hops inside. The door closes, leaving the wind outside. Inside is warm, safe.
All right there, little one.
The keeper places the seagull in a box lined with soft cloth. The chick jumps in beside his mother. The man examines the wing closely. Broken feathers, wounded skin, but it will heal. He cleans the wound gently, wraps the wing carefully.
Little friend. Let's just clean this up.
Places fresh fish on a plate beside them, and waits. The chick eats first. Hungry, curious, the mother watches the keeper, still wary, but then she eats too. The keeper watches in silence.
I'll keep you safe. You don't have to worry anymore.
Wind beats against the windows, but inside it's peaceful. The two birds rest, safe at last. Dawn breaks cold over the ocean. Light enters through the window. The seagull rests near the glass. The chick explores the lighthouse floor. The keeper prepares fish. The chick follows him.
Morning, friends.
No longer afraid, the mother watches, her eyes softer now. The seagull watches the sea through the window, eyes on the horizon. The chick walks among lighthouse objects, curious about everything. The keeper does his work. The seagull perches near him. The chick approaches, chirps softly. The man places fish down. The two birds eat together. More days pass. The chick follows the keeper everywhere. The seagull watches the man work. The man looks out at the ocean. The seagull approaches, stands beside him, both watching the same horizon. Then something unexpected happens. The seagull brings a small fish, places it near the man's feet. The keeper looks down. Surprised, he looks at the seagull. She looks back. He understands. This is her thank you.
Thank you, little friend.
A slight smile crosses his face. The seagull beats her wings strongly, testing them. She tries a small flight inside the lighthouse, unsteady but flying, lands gently. The keeper watches. She's healed. She's ready. He opens the lighthouse door. Icy wind enters. The smell of ocean fills the room. The seagull looks at the man. Their eyes meet. The chick looks too. This is goodbye. The seagull spreads her wings, strong, healed. She flies out into the open sky. The chick follows right behind. His first real flight.
Find your way home. Come.
They fly over the
Let's
island,
fly.
mother and son,
We are leaving
together,
the
free. The keeper watches them go, two white wings against grey clouds. The cold wind keeps blowing. The lighthouse illuminates the grey sea. The seagulls disappear into the horizon. The keeper stands alone, watching the cold ocean at dusk. But he doesn't feel lonely. He saved 2 lives, and something inside him was saved too. Sometimes the smallest acts of kindness create the most beautiful stories, and this was one of them.